Entering the house for the first time. It smells like new in here. Oh, okay. Keys. Wine opener. Good morning, guys. So today is my first day in our house. I thought I would do an empty house tour, hence the echo, really quick. Yeah, so this is actually my first time being in the house by myself. I'm actually here waiting on some deliveries. We have a ton of things being delivered today, so here waiting on that. But I wanted to do a quick empty house tour because this is about to blow up and be like a total disaster because we are moving. So it's gonna be a lot of things in here. So I wanted to take you guys and give you an empty house tour so that you can see. All right, so when you come in, this is the front entrance, and right in front of us we have, well, you can walk this way. There's a wall over here, blank. There is another wall, yay. And then right here we have the front door, which is really tall and really nice, and I just love it. Okay, so let's flip back around. So when you come up this way, you walk in like so, and then right on the corner here you have a closet. This is like a little, anyway, so this is like a little closet. We're gonna install some rods in there to use this as a coat closet. Once you walk out of the coat closet, you flip around. This is our garage. Pretty standard garage, nothing major. Really nice and spacious. And right when you come in, this door right here leads you to the first guest bedroom. So not too big, but again, it's a guest bedroom. The doors are super tall in this house, which is something that I really love. So once you walk in, you have a closet right here. The closet already have built-ins, which I love and hate at the same time. The built-ins kind of take up a lot of space, and then there's not a lot of room on the built-in. So it has like two little shelves to hang things, and then like a little built-in right there. And then when we walk through this door, you get the guest bath with a cool window. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with all the windows in the bathrooms here. I'm obsessed, but this is the guest bath. I like the color scheme. It's all grayed out, which I love, gray and white. We are going to walk back over this way. So these are the stairs. Gorgeous. I love how the stairs look, and I'm absolutely in love with the railing. When we were looking for a house, we were very specific about what kind of house we wanted. We knew we wanted something super modern and something like in the middle of everything, like in the city and things like that. So I definitely knew that I wanted a metal railing, and I wanted a really nice so like this gray tone stairs. Let's go up to the first floor. Let me tell you something. If nothing else, you're gonna get cardio in this house. We're just gonna do a quick pan from here of the living space. That's why there's absolutely nothing in here. We haven't even gotten our fridge yet. So this is the island. I love it. It's big, but it's not too big. Eventually I want to change the top. I want to make it like a nice white marble. But for now, this is amazing. We've ordered two bar stools to go here, so I'm really excited about those. And then here's our little dining area. We got a brand new dining table, so there's that. I love that the outside is like trees, you know. It looks like super cool because this is like a very like modern city industrial area. So you don't see a lot of trees here. So the ceilings are super tall in here. Like, I'm trying to back up so you guys can see how tall the ceilings are, but that is just that. It's just absolutely gorgeous. This is the living room. I don't want to show too much of the outside there, you know. I don't want to show too much of that. And this is where our TV is gonna go. It's already wired for speakers. So it's wired for speakers on the ceiling. and on top where the TV is. I am in love with these countertops. They're two tones. Half of them are white and the rest of them are like this gray color, which I personally really like. This house does not have a pantry, which I just realized that we've never lived anywhere that actually had a pantry. So I'm very used to not having one, and I am really taking this as a challenge to be very organized and making everything have a place. So anyway, if you come around here, of course it's the kitchen. These are the appliances. We have a microwave right there and an oven and a really cool drawer underneath the oven. And then dishwasher and a huge one sinker. I prefer a one sinker than a two sinker. I just feel like I like how deep it is, and even if we have dirty dishes, you really won't be able to tell. And then on the windowsill there, I'm gonna have some plants and things right here. Another thing that was important to me when getting a house, I did not want like a full stove, like a stove that had like the oven attached. I didn't want that. I knew that I just wanted the burners on top and then drawers at the bottom. And here's the cool thing, I can just put my pots in here, and these are soft close, so no slamming in this house. The fridge would go right there. Fridge is being delivered tomorrow, I believe. And then right here, this is where our wine fridge is gonna go, and that's being delivered tomorrow also, I believe. I also love the fan there because it's super cool looking. I've always loved those types of fans. So we have finished with the living area. Let's go ahead and go one more flight of stairs. Let me check the time here. Okay, 11:24. So when you go up a little bit more, you have this door right here, which is the guest bath. I'm thinking of painting this up a really cool dark color. Well, but I like that the faucet is to the side and not straight on. And more stairs, yay for me. So go up more stairs, and I love looking down every time that I go upstairs because that view is just so cool. You can see the stairs and you can see all the way down. I don't know, that's just cool to me. And Lord Jesus. Right in front of us when you walk up, you have the laundry. So this is the laundry, washer and dryer in there. I'm also going to install a steamer on the wall there, and then I'm going to organize some things in here. I have to get really creative in this house because there's not a lot of space. Like, we don't have a linen closet or anything like that, so that's going to be a huge challenge. So to the right, sorry, I'm probably showing you guys around, but to the right of the laundry room, a laundry closet really, we have this door. This is going to be my filming room office. So I like it because it gets lots of sunlight and it's really nice. It's a decent size. I'm gonna have my desk in here. I'm also going to store all of my Benjamin Beauty products that I sell in here so that they're nice and organized. But yeah, I think this is great space for me, and I'm eventually gonna put up a chandelier here, which Chris is like, you don't need it, but I'm like, who doesn't need a chandelier anyway? So right here we have the guest bath. So this room also gets like a full bath, which looks identical to the one that was downstairs. Okay, again, so this is just what it looks like, which is cool. I think I'm gonna be doing my hair in here, so all my hair products and hair like straightener and things are gonna live in here. I like that out of this window you kind of just see like the same shrubbery that you saw in the dining. You kind of see traffic. It's kind of cool. I don't know, I just like to see traffic. So once you exit my filming room, you walk straight across and we have our master bedroom. Huge windows in here, which I absolutely love. Would have loved for them to hit all the way down to the ground, but you know, they're still very nice size. We're gonna have beautiful curtains in here, so it's a really good size master bedroom. I wish it was a little bigger, but when you want like that city living, you really have to compromise on space, and I actually think they did really well with the space in here. So We get another view of that traffic and the shrubbery and all of that. But this is our closet. So I don't know why this space wasn't utilized better. So when you walk into the closet, you have this little built-in here. And then this is the closet. This is actually a really good sized closet for 2 people. We're definitely gonna have a chandelier in here. I have some ideas for what I want to put in the middle here. And then you walk around and you guys see now why we need this stick, because hello, tall as F. And then over here we have another one of those built-ins right here. Right here we have our master bath. Okay, anyway. Master bath is absolutely beautiful. It is a little bit on the smaller side, and we don't have any drawers, which I'm crying about right now. We only have like underneath counter space. So you guys better get ready, because I'm gonna have a ton of organizational videos, because I don't have a linen closet, I don't have a pantry, and I don't have drawers in my bathroom. So I really have to be organized to keep this looking nice. These are the windows. This is my least favorite part of this bathroom, probably the house, is this mirror right here. Absolutely hate this mirror. I want it out like today. I don't know why it's there. Like, why would I want a giant mirror here and then more mirrors? It's just too much. So I want to take this down completely and do like a textured wall with some maybe cabinetry or some shelves to put up some towels and cute C-nets and things like that. And then right here, this is my little pièce de résistance. I love this. It's a giant standalone tub, and it's just gorgeous. Okay, gorgeous. Right next to the tub, we have the huge, giant walk-in shower, which I really love. It's absolutely beautiful. The color is great. I do want to have the shower head change. I would like more like a rainfall shower, so something that goes up and then comes down. A little window in there, which is always great. And then right here we have what we call our pooper, which is a separate door where you can poop, girl. So it is very big, actually. I'm surprised about how spacious this is. I will be putting maybe like a little shelf organizer in here. Oh yeah, I was wondering if there was a vent. There is a vent, because you need those, okay? Let's move on to the last and one of the most exciting things about this house. One of the reasons why we had decided that we wanted this style of home in the first place. So when you leave the master bedroom, you go to the right, there's more stairs. These ones don't have the wood, which we will add eventually, I believe. It's not a priority, but eventually I think I would like to add it. So, oh, child, I'm tired. Another beautiful window. I love how much light is in this house. We're gonna keep going. Woo! Okay. To the left, we have the utility closet, and then right in front of us is a giant door. Okay. Whew. Okay, so you open that and you are outside. Because this style of home doesn't really have like a backyard or anything like that, they really needed to do something. So you have some outdoor space. So we have a rooftop deck on the 4th floor, and it's just beautiful. It has a wonderful, great view of downtown Houston. It's just really beautiful and really great. So, such a beautiful day. I can't wait to put stuff out here, put up a grill, a hookah machine, and just have a great time. So that concludes my house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I cannot wait to do lots of organizational videos, and there would definitely be a furnished house tour, obviously. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know down below if you guys want to see some organizational videos, and if you do, like, what do you want to see first. All right guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.